Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get paid to travel and review hotels. Travel industry is a great niche to go into if you want to earn big money, and this video I'm going to show you how it's done. Let's get started now. Okay, before I get started, I just want to share with you that there is something called affiliate marketing, okay? And what affiliate marketing is that you can refer other people to other products or services and earn commissions. So if you were in the travel industry and how you could get paid to travel like this is basically you could be telling people about different travel destination, talk about different types of hotels, review them, talk about how the programs, the travel programs are, and educate people on different ways to travel, like either cheaply or a certain area that you want to show people. But the thing is that when you are educating people and kind of recommending things for them to go or places to go check out and go visit, then you could put affiliate links there in that content that you are talking about these hotels, and when people click on them and they make a booking, then you earn a commission. And the commissions that you can earn in the travel niche is really good commissions. You could literally earn hundreds of dollars a day doing this, and this is no joke. This is really how you can make big money online, and you're gonna need to know all the pieces, so you gotta watch the whole video to see what you need to get started. Okay, guys? So sandals is, so I'm gonna give you 3 examples of affiliate programs that you can check out and maybe even sign up for, but 3 is like very little in this whole industry. So I'm not in the travel industry, but I want to tell you about how you can make big money using the travel industry, using affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing business model is really the best kind of online business you can start these days, because you can start it with a very low investment, and you're gonna have great benefits from this online business that you build. Okay, so 3 is only just this very little. There's like hundreds and even thousands of affiliate programs that you can go into in the travel niche. So these are just a few examples so I can show you how this works. Okay, so sandals is a luxurious resorts. Basically, these are 5-star resorts that couples usually book for either a honeymoon or some kind of destination wedding, and it's or anniversaries, special anniversaries that couples go on. Usually these resorts are adult only. They only have, I think, a very little resorts that have families included with kids. So they are very couple focused, and so they charge, their packages are very high end. They're catering to people who are celebrating special occasions. So their packages are going to be nice and big. So I'm just going to go to their affiliate page here. So if you go to sandals.com/affiliates, you'll come to this page. And this talks about their affiliate marketing program. Okay. Now, this alone right here is a very huge indication that the Sandals program is a very good program to check out and maybe even use for yourself. Okay, when they're talking about 3-month EPC, that's earnings per click at $138 basically. That is huge, guys. This is really big, because you know why you can earn so much is because their packages will run a good amount of money, right? Their packages will go from either like $1,000 a person all the way up to like thousands per person, right? So for 2 people to go to these this kind of destination, it's gonna be like at least 2,000 and up. So their commission rate is at 4%, but you gotta keep in mind that their per night per person rate goes from $150 to over $2,000. That's per night per person. Okay, so 4% on these packages are going to be huge for you if you are going to use this program. All right, so that's just the first one I was going to show you. So the second one, here's the second affiliate program I was going to show you. It's called Agoda, and agoda.com, agoda.com. And this is a place where you can book hotels, resorts, or hostels, and more from all over the place. And so this is a really, really good site for you to check out as well. So this place not only have hotels but also private residency, and that's why it's going to be a great place for you to refer people to, because you will have more options to talk about and more things for you to offer your audience, different ways to stay. So it's going to be good options for them. And if you go to partners.agoda.com, you will go to their affiliate page. They call it Partners. So this is their affiliate program. Each $200 booking at a commission rate of 5% earns you $10 in commissions. So 5% is actually really good, because booking hotels, you're talking about per night. So people are usually doing more than one night. And for their affiliate program, you could just click here to become an affiliate. You could sign up for their affiliate program there. Agoda's generous commission rates get even better with more bookings. The more completed checked out bookings you have each month, the higher the percentage of those bookings get paid for that month. So that is very cool. So the more you have booked, the higher the commission that you can get. Install our free tools. So they have free tools for you guys to use as well. You have hotel data files, text links, banners, and search boxes. And then you can earn more per booking. Earn more per booking. The more bookings you have, the higher your commission tier. The calculator above can give you an idea of how much monthly commission you can make. Enter the number of completed bookings checked out you expect to make every month. Then input an average booking value, and the calculator will add up your monthly commission based on your tier. The more completed bookings, the higher the tier. So if you have less than 50 bookings, is at 4%. Between 50 and 99 bookings is 4.5%. And you get to go all the way up to 7% with more than 1,000. Basically 1,000 and up, you can earn the top tier at 7%. So it's pretty cool, guys, and they're gonna make it really easy for you guys to integrate this into your site, because they have these free tools, even a search box for your visitors to search. So this is a very good program to check out. So as I'm saying, like, and $200 booking could be just for one night too, guys. And when people are doing multiple bookings, that's when your commissions can really add up, and the more people in that trip, the more you can earn, guys. So this is a great affiliate program. Another affiliate program is like booking sites like this one, like Booking.com. This is a typical site where you go to search for flights and hotel and car rentals, and you can have this, you can refer people to this, guys, okay, and earn some good commissions. And to get to their affiliate program page, you just literally gotta type into Google Booking.com affiliate program, okay, and you get to this page and look at what you can earn money through your website with Booking.com's affiliate program. With our affiliate program, you have two ways to earn: bringing in bookings and referring properties. Sign up is free and your account is confirmed instantly. Earn up to 40% of the commission on bookings made through your site. €50 for each property that you refer to Booking.com. So what referring properties mean is that if there's like a hotel that's not on Booking.com and you got them to, and you have referred them to Booking.com and put a listing on there, then that property referral from you will earn you some money. Okay. So they have this video here about Booking.com's affiliate program, and you could check this out. It's only 2 minutes long, and it's look at this is one of the busiest booking sites or travel booking sites on the internet. Okay, so you can see at least over 1 million plus accommodations, and there's a variety of things that you can offer your audience there. Okay, let's look at the affiliate partner program. Huge potential, earning potential here. Okay, for each booking made through your site, you'll earn a favorable commission. The more you book, the more you make. So wow, they have actually over 2.5 million properties for you to refer, and there's more than 1.5 million room nights reserved daily. Holy cow, there's a lot of traffic on this site. And then you can have integrations for your site, and there's already a huge network of people already using this affiliate program. So throughout these 3 programs, you already seen references about websites, right? So for you to make this work and make a big money online, you need to learn how to build an affiliate website, guys, okay? And where I have learned how to build an affiliate website is at this place right here. My blog, workanywherenow.com, is a success story from this platform. And so this is where you can go to learn how to build an affiliate website. These guys are actually specializes in this. So they specialize in teaching people how to build a website and monetize that website with affiliate marketing. And they teach you this for any niche that you want to go into. So travel is definitely one of them that will work. And the thing about affiliate websites is that the way you need it for it to work, for you to actually earn hundreds and hundreds a day and even thousands and thousands of dollars a month, you do want to learn how to drive traffic with this website. Okay. If you don't know how to build it in a way that it drives its own traffic, then you need this platform, okay? They're going to teach you in a way that allows you to work on your own schedule and earn any time of the day, making you passive income, guys, okay? This is training that is very powerful because you are going to be able to have a website that attracts its own online visitors 24/7, and that is how you will be earning any time of the day because your website is live 24/7 on the internet. And Wealthy Affiliate will teach you how to build it in a way that it will attract its own visitors. So when the visitors then click on your affiliate links in your content, then they're going to go to and if they go to those travel sites that you recommend and they book something, that's how you earn commission, guys. That's how the whole cycle works. What's special about this particular page is that my face is on it right here, as you can see, right? And you need to use a special link, my affiliate link, to get on this platform with my face. And you do want my face on here because if you have my face on there, that means that you're going to be signing up under me, and then that means that I'm going to help you through your online journey. I'm a premium coach on the platform. I've been there since 2016. I'm a super affiliate, and I can guide you throughout your entire online journey. I've been doing this with other people, thousands of other people I have helped already, and I don't see why I can't help you as well. So please sign up with my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. Okay, so you will see it at the bottom of the screen here, and you can also just click it with the first link in the video description underneath this video. So it's going to be very easy for you to go check out. All right. So in order for you to make big money online, you need to get learning how to build an affiliate website with the training here And then use affiliate programs like Sandals, like the Agoda or the Booking.com affiliate programs to monetize your website so that when your website attracts its own visitors, the visitors will click on your affiliate links and will go to those places where you send them. And if they book it, you earn commissions. Okay, guys? That's how the whole thing works. And I hope you would take me up on this because I have been earning quite a bit on with the training here. And if you sign up for free, you do sign up for free, guys. No credit card required. And just full disclosure, your free account will get you a free affiliate website online with the free lessons that you get with your free account. However, you can only get so far with your free account. So be prepared to go premium if you want the entire training platform, okay? You will need it because all the other things that you need for your website is in those other lessons. And so going premium is the way to go. And I've been a premium there, like I said, since 2016. And you can look me up. All you gotta do is once you sign up, there's a search bar right on top of your dashboard, and you could just type Littlemama, and then you see me show up. Click on my profile. Read the blog posts on my profile. You will see my entire online journey there, and you will see how much money I have made in my progress at Wealthy Affiliate. So I hope you will join me so I can help you in your online journey as well and make some big money with the travel niche. This is a fun niche to be in. So once you earn a bunch of money, obviously that money then you can go travel for free with your affiliate site, and you can still work on your affiliate site anywhere in the world because it's an online business. So like my website title says, work anywhere now. It is possible with affiliate marketing, and I hope you would join me right here at Wealthy Affiliate using my link. Please use my link or else you won't get me as your premium coach. All right, it's workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. Please, if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video, okay? And subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make big money online, guys, okay? And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. All right, guys, I hope I see you on the next video, okay? And I hope you make big money soon. All right, guys, bye.